Welcome to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
The Loon.
The Loon. I don't have jazz hands though.
I know. I'm so excited. I feel like doing jazz hands because today we are making what I think is one of the most amazing, brilliant culinary inventions of all time.
It's so good.
I am doing my homemade tamales.
Yes, sirree.
Okay, so let's make some tamales.
Let's do it.
All right, so when you're going to make tamales, I like to get kind of down and dirty, and that's why these are not just for jazz hands. In our house, usually it's just for jazz hands, but no, it's also for making incredible tamales. So to do really authentic tamales, you got to have really authentic batter.
Yes,
right?
and I know what that means.
I know. So it starts off with some incredible masa harina, which is basically a very fine cornmeal. This is something that now you can find in most major supermarkets, well-stocked supermarkets.
So good.
If not, you can certainly find it in a Mexican, Latin supermarket, and you can absolutely find them online.
Yes.
This brand is Masica. They're great. It's called Tamal. It's absolutely fantastic.
It's gluten-free, this one is.
It is gluten-free. So it's so wonderful. So I love to get out a big old pan, like my roasting pan right here, so I can really get my hands in there. Of course, you can use like a wooden spoon or a Loon.
Yeah. But I'm not going to get my. Well, why don't I have gloves on?
Well, I can't believe you don't. You usually walk around the house with these gloves on. Anyway, so now I'm going to add to this 4.5 cups of pretty warm water. I got this kind of like nice and hot a little bit ago, and then
let it sit
cooled
for
off
a little bit.
Yeah, and then you're going to add that to this. Let's see, now we can get rid of that.
Yes.
All right, now to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, and then the ever important, this is 1.5 teaspoons
of cornstarch. No? Yeast? Oh.
Baking powder.
Baking
powder. Eventually, we will get there.
We're
making such good progress.
White powder.
But anyway, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to incorporate this, and it's going to start to make the
little balls.
Yeah, it starts to just, that water gets absorbed with this masa harina.
You're flinging your masa.
Well, that's how you know.
You're a masa flanger.
That's right. My mama taught me right.
Now, what are these two things that
I'm going to tell you. So now what we're going to add to this, after you kind of get this incorporated, let me add just a little more. You'll know, you want this to, it doesn't have to be, it's not going to be gooey yet, but you want it pretty well incorporated. So what we're going to add to this now once we've added the water, we are going to add something.
It's already starting to smell like a tamale.
I know. So this is the magic ingredient. If you want your tamales to be authentic, you're going to have to use this. And this is pork lard. Now, don't shudder and think, oh my God, I can't believe they're doing pork lard. Because actually, lard
has been around longer than what? Than
pigs. No, not that long. But it's actually, there's good fat and there's bad fat. And for some reason, pork lard along the way, there's research why this happened.
Pork lard is good fat.
Made you want to think that it was bad fat. And so it's not, though. I mean, our great-great-grandparents cooked with it day in and day out. And they were healthier than we are. I'm pretty sure that's pretty sure. And
you're pretty sure that's pretty sure?
I'm pretty sure. Sure.
Now we're getting nice and
messy.
Now,
so go ahead.
Can I just tell you that pork lard, though, the flavor that it gives these tamales is
through the roof.
Out of this world.
Whenever you have like a really good tamale,
from
a really authentic place that knows, like grandma that knows how to make good old tamales, I guarantee you she used pork lard. Now, pork lard is definitely something you're probably only going to find at a Mexican. I have seen it in, I think Whole Foods, but
a little bodega. I'm sure that you'll definitely find one.
Seek them out. They are. It's definitely not that hard to find. Now this is,
or even go online and order it.
Yeah, this is chicken stock. So you're going to want to start with adding about a cup.
So you've got pork in there, pork lard, and you've got chicken stock.
Yeah. Now, what's important about this is just, as you can see, it's kind of what I always like to call it. It's sort of like the consistency of cake batter. You don't want it too runny.
I'm kind of jealous that you're all getting all messy.
I know. Well, you're going to get the ultimate prize and get to eat it. So, okay. I think this is really, really good. Actually, well, if you did have gloves on, you could finish this for me.
Why? What else can I talk about?
Well, I want to show them what we're going to fill these incredible.
Yes.
So let me move this out of the way. You were going to move that for me, Wesley.
I did. I moved it over there.
Oh, okay. Well, great. That was helpful. Okay. So now let's move that
Here.
Let's put that right there. This is my green chili tomatillo cilantro
It's so
chicken
delicious.
filling. It's perfect for filling tamales, for enchiladas, soft tacos. It's incredible. It's not hard to make. And let's show you how we made it.
Yeah.
So we start with 10 to 12 medium-sized tomatillas. Simply remove the outer husk and place in a large bowl. Now take 2 to 3 fresh jalapenos, cut off the tops, and then with a sharp knife split in half and remove the seeds and the ribs. The more seeds and ribs you leave behind, the spicier the sauce will be. Now add these to a pot of boiling water and let simmer for 20 minutes until they become nice and soft. Remove from the hot water and place in your blender. To this, add 4 cloves of garlic that have been roughly chopped. Now secure the lid to the blender, add a kitchen towel for safety, and then puree until nice and smooth. Now you're going to want to heat oil in a large skillet and pour in the sauce. Be careful, it may splatter. Stir with a wooden spoon for about 10 minutes until the sauce becomes slightly thicker and starts to darken just a little bit in color. To this, you're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock. Continue to simmer until it cooks down, until it's nice and thick. You'll liberally add some salt, about 2 teaspoons, some diced chicken that's been cooked, I like the rotisserie kind from the store, and then about a half a cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Stir until fully incorporated and heated through. And now you've got the best chicken sauce for filling you could ever imagine.
Oh, isn't that the best filling? Wait till you taste it.
It's so good.
You think it looks good, wait till you taste it.
so
It's so
good.
good. Okay, so I went ahead and I took that batter that we were making, I transferred it to a nice large bowl. Now see, it's got the consistency of like a thick cake batter.
Yes.
It's perfect. I've got my corn husks here. I dried them off. And you're going to want to get, they're going to be about this size. Try to pick out the ones that are nice size. If you've got smaller ones, that's okay. I just put the 2 together and then they work perfectly.
Corn husks, though, I mean, they don't sell them everywhere. Once again, at your local bodega.
Yeah, I mean, these, again, kind of like the pork lard, they're not going to be as easy to find at your local grocery store, but you can certainly find them at a Mexican bodega, at a Mexican market, and again, you can buy anything online. these days. So what I've done is this dough, you don't need to be too thick with it because it's going to expand as it steams, and it's just going to be perfectly cooked. So I do like a little thin layer. You want to do it just so it's right towards the top of the husk, and you leave about 1 inch to a ½ inch on the sides, and then so it goes down to just a little beyond halfway. Okay, now we're going to take this incredible filling.
Yes.
And Wesley,
I'm gonna fill it.
I know. Now again, you don't need to overdo it because the flavor all is going to come together beautifully.
Is that a good
That's
amount?
good. Just go ahead and do it.
And just in the middle here?
Yep. Just
A little more?
Yeah, do a little more. Okay. Maybe just a tad more.
Okay, now I'm getting my ball bearings.
Okay, well, he's got his ball bearings, so that's good. All right, so now I'm going to show you how we do this. It's so simple. All you do is you just take one side, and then you bring the other side so the batter kind of meets in the middle.
Yes.
We meet in the middle, and then sort of fold it over like that. You take the little end like this, that's so cute, and you fold it over. This is going to stay open up here, and then we're going to get some little strips of other husks that we have torn into little pieces, and we're just going to tie it up.
Hold on, let me get under there.
And it's absolutely going to be amazing. So now the next thing that all you have to do is you have to steam these. There are many different ways of steaming tamales. They have these giant vats that you can do it in. You can do however you like to steam food. I love to steam food using my bamboo steamer. I mean, talk about cross-cultural Cuisine. We're using all kinds of techniques. So I've got my steamer here. I went ahead and lined it with a couple of corn husks. It helps in the steaming process, plus it infuses a little more flavor.
And I'm going to take that right there
and you
put
just
it in
set
there.
it right in there. Let's do it this way. Oh, Wesley.
I know. Those little things are hard to tie.
I know, it's okay. You don't have
At
to
least,
use
or you got it side down,
so it's fine.
gonna stay
Yeah,
there.
it's fine. You don't have to use these. These are kind of an attractive way to do it. Sometimes
They're cute. They make a nice picture.
they do, and they also, we also on the blog we have a recipe for a pork filling too. So if you were doing pork and chicken, say you have the pork tied and the chicken not tied, so people would know the difference.
Yes.
You can also just fill these with cheese and a little pepper. They're so delicious.
So good.
Amazing. So this is going to go into the hot steam, and it's going to steam for about an hour and 15 to 20 minutes. As that steams, it's gonna firm up and it's gonna be beautiful. You'll know when it's done because you'll just be able to tell to the touch. But that husk will just kind of gently pull away from the batter, and it's gonna be perfection.
Just pop that right in your mouth.
Not yet. They have to cool.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, folks, the smell is insane. It is so good. The
I can't even
anticipation
tell
is
you.
really intense.
Yeah.
So just to recap, so I let these steam for about an hour and 15, 20 minutes. And,
Look at 'em.
and then I took the top off, let that steam release. That's really important. As much as you want to dig in at that point, go ahead and let them cool because they're still going to be kind of
Yeah.
moist. And as they cool, they begin to really firm up and they just become perfect. What I really love to do as he's unfolding this beauty.
Oh,
that's
look at
great. That is just like a work of
That is, and it's big. I like a big tamale.
a big tamale.
I'd like to actually just unwrap it all the way.
Yeah.
That's what I
beautiful.
do.
That's gorgeous. And you know, it's okay if it rips a little open like that. You want to see the insides. That's because
It gives that authenticity.
Yes, it's cooked perfectly. What I really love to do is let these completely cool, and then you can either re-steam them. Another really great way just to heat them is throw them in the microwave. Nuke them for about 30 seconds, and they're good to go. These are good room temperature, too.
Yes.
They're so flavorful.
Oh, you all. Oh, look at that.
That's,
And sometimes I just eat them right out of the wrapper with my fingers. The wrapper. I call that a wrapper.
well, the husk.
The
yeah.
husk.
Sometimes he gets so excited he even eats the husk.
I do not. Maybe on occasion. All right, here we go.
Oh, the smell. It's the real deal. Yeah.
I tell you, that pork lard
Yeah.
gives this a richness that is out of this world.
Yeah.
Oh, and that the chicken mixture.
The filling. I know.
Oh my stars! Your pork is good too, but the chicken is delicious.
It's really good.
Oh, this is so good, y'all. You just make them. They're so easy.
They're really not hard to make, and they're great with like a family gathering. Holidays is wonderful.
Holidays.
Everyone can
in
have
Texas. Everybody has them in like the
Christmas
during
Eve, or
yeah.
and it's fun. Everyone kind of has their job.
Yay!
It's so good.
Now this is 100% Loon approved.
Yeah, I was pretty certain you would give me that fork. Oh my God, tis the season for giving, right?
Oh, yeah, I guess I'll give you my fork. Isn't it just amazing? It's so good. I mean, flinging your chicken, Chris.
Well, I can't help it. I'm so excited. I mean, this is an authentic tamale that is just perfect.
So good.
You got to make this.
Now you can get this recipe and many more on howtofeedaloon.com.
Sorry, I just banged your ears. Oh, it's so good. And please go to our social media, like us, share us, do all of that. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
And the sun will come out tamale. Yay. Oh, my gosh. That is so, it's heavenly.
Yes.
Thank
See
you,
you tamale.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, now if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right. And to get more amazing recipes like this, just click right here.
Click, subscribe,
Do it all.
subscribe.
Just click and subscribe.